Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I still know how to do this. I have pre-filmed all of my videos for the month of September because I've been super duper busy with family. But now I'm back and I'm filming again, and I miss my filming space, and I just get super excited when I film, especially when I get something for free, such as the Ipsy Boxycharm boxes. So today we are unboxing the Ipsyglambag as well as the Boxycharm by Ipsy boxes for the month of October 2024. You're not gonna believe what I got in these boxes. Some of them I have on my face right now. I miss Ipsy so much because I have taken a break for a split second in the past couple of months, but now I'm back, we're back, and I'm so thankful to Ipsy for allowing me to be a part of this incubator program, essentially their PR program, to kind of showcase all of the items that you could potentially get in their boxes. So if you love makeup, if you love skincare, Ipsy has it all. So with that said, if you want to know what's in my Ipsy Glam bags this month, oh my gosh, I don't think I even showed it to you guys. Then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have part of my makeup on, I have my base on, but there are some items here from my Ipsy Glam bags and Boxycharm by Ipsy that I want to try, and so we're gonna just be putting it on my face today. First off, the base membership for Ipsy is this glam bag right here. It is around $14 a month. Check the description box below for details. But yeah, this one has at least one full-size item. I think now I'm seeing about almost 2 full-size items, and it comes with a glam bag, and the other 3 or 4 are like deluxe size sample items. So not really sample, more like deluxe size, because they are a good size. So are you guys ready? Well, let's look at the card first. Beauty nightmares, overplucked brows. Oh, scary haircuts, chemical peel, horror shows. We've all been there. Our beauty mistakes unites us and reminds us that our mistakes and misadventures are just part of our journey to self-aggression. Oh, to self-expression. Oops. Okay, so beauty nightmares. I love that. You know, I started makeup a little late in the game. It was trial and error for me. I'm not personally trained in makeup. I just figured out what works, what's good, and what's best for my face and face type, skin type. Yeah, so over the years, I've just learned from other YouTubers, from other beauty gurus, and that's how I've kind of perfected and improved my makeup game. But yeah, there's been some horror stories. Like I've had like, you know, Godzilla brows before, and I came out thinking it was good, but now I'm realizing it was not so good. This is the Glambag. I love it. Just the pure black and white, and it has like the crystal ball, the snake, the moon. Wow, this really speaks October. Here's Ipsy right there in a nice bright pink logo. Inside is also lined with pink just to add to the drama, and my most favorite part is this purple crystal ball right here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This is so pretty. So okay, let's see what I got. Who am I kidding? I already looked into it. First one is the Beauty Beauty Stat Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. Ooh, a moisturizer that relaxes your wrinkles. I might need that because I feel like the lines on my forehead are starting to just set. Okay, next item that I got is the Vitamin Enrich Face Base. So it's like a face primer before your makeup. It's to prepare and hydrate your skin, and it's by Bobbi Brown, a bougie brand, you guys know. Ooh, Dew of the Gods. I've had their like hand exfoliators before, or hand Scrubs, they're really good. But this one is a lip butter. Okay, it's hard for me to say no to lip butters because I just throw one in every bag. When I'm in a hurry, it just assures me that I have at least one lip gloss in here. So I'm gonna just open it up. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's just a standard, you know, moisturizing lip balm. I thought it would be like an oil base, but I love this color, like peachy pink color. Very nice. And then the other item in here that I got is this Pacifica Glimmer and Shimmer Highlighter Blush. So highlighter slash blush. The highlighter is in the color Glimmer Shimmer. Blush is Firelit. This is so cute. Yes, I've had these before. I've gotten them before in our Ipsy bags. Or is it Boxycharm bags? I love this. Look at this, guys. It has a big giant mirror. Look at that. Whenever we get drugstore products here in our Ipsy bag, like, I get excited. There's something about drugstore. I love this. And the big giant mirror. Ugh, I wanna swatch it. Okay. I gotta decide whether I wanna keep it or not. Last item. So the last out of the 5 items that we get is this beautiful brush. It looks like a highlighter brush. And it might be time to update my highlighter brush anyway. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like, look at that. When I put my hand around it, it has like a purple blue shift to it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And this is by the brand Wing Me. It has a very tapered pointy tip. So it could be like something you use under your eyes. It could be something that you highlight with. Especially like here on the tip of my nose, like it's perfect there. That is the Ipsyglambag. Okay, next item, guys. I'm gonna put my little claw clip, which I got from, should I do it this, I think, which I got from my Shein haul from a while back, I think last year. This is my Boxycharm by Ipsy box. It is around $30, $35. You know what? I'll put the pricing again down in the description box below. But it is supposed to contain over $120 worth of products, all full-size items, 5 items in the box. So let's see. And you get a little fun magazine. Ooh. This reminds me, I do have cat ears. Guys, I can't draw for the life of me, let alone draw something on my face. But these type of makeup, I can kind of sorta follow. Okay, first item. Let's start with this one because I'm looking a little dead and I can't do that any longer in this video. This is the Tarte blush tape, full size. Look at that. And look, this is a deluxe size, and this is what a full size would look like. All right, this is by Tarte. Okay, so it's a squeeze tube, kind of like the Charlotte Tilbury one. Ooh, okay, it's coming through. Let's just swatch it a little bit. Oh my goodness. It's a very shimmery blush. And let's do that. Let's see. It has a very nice sheen to it. Let's see if we can build it up because the color looks very nude. So I'll add a little bit more. I think if I had a little bit of a deeper color, this would totally work for me. Since my face have been like so dry lately, I've been really appreciating like glowy makeup. You twist up to open, then twist it again to close. Next item, let's do the eye makeup. So I got this. This is by the brand Eloise, and it's the palette that's called Goddess. Yes, it's a beautiful, and I kind of want to go, I don't know, I think I want to try this mossy green color. Swatch it, see if it's pretty good. Oh, It's a duochrome. It has like a purple shift to it. Okay, I'm gonna just start with just blending my crease. I've never heard of the brand Eloise before. You can kind of build up the makeup instead of like going harsh from the beginning. Go ahead and try this green. It looks green here, and this is in the color Transcendent Beauty. It looks green, but it's supposed to have some kind of, oh wow, like gray, silver, purple shift. You know what? I might add the blue on top. This could be like the base, and then I'll add this purpley blue. It looks blue on camera, but it's like it has a purple shift to it. This one, guys, the camera does not do justice. This color is so pretty. I'm just gonna use my fingers and try this color on the very top. Oh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I think it needed that a little bit. I find that this is kind of like a dry formula. We're dealing with a lot of shifting duochromes here. It's going to look kind of, you know, scary at first, but trust the process. I'm just taking it up to the brow bone just for fun. Okay, I am going to use this really deep blue right here. It's like navy blue on my lash line. Much basic navy blue, very pigmented though, so I appreciate that. I'm going to get off camera here and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back with the final look. So I am back with the full beat, guys. So this is the final look. I did use some things from my previous Ipsy boxes, kind of like this one size fits all Fantasize mascara by Patrick Starr, and also his matching one size liner pen, liquid pen. So I love those two items, especially this one because it's like a more brown liner liquid pen. It's not a black one, so it's perfect for like more natural days. And since the makeup is very bold right now, a lot of shifting colors, like I hope you can see this because it's so gorgeous. As the light hits it, you see blues, purples, pinks, silvers. Like it's just an amazing combo. This Eloise Goddess palette is truly a goddess. I love it. I love it. These two eyeshadows look like they would be pretty normal standard eyeshadows, but they're not. They are more than that. So super pretty, gorgeous. So far we have the Tarte blush, liquid blush. We have the Goddess Eloise eyeshadow, and then there's this little tiny thing which doesn't look like a full size, but I guess it is. Dollish lip scrub. So I don't know. Well, most lip scrubs are kind of this small, but I do use lip scrubs more so in the winter time when my lips starts chapping, there's some excess skin peeling. So yeah, I can definitely get a use out of this. If not, I'll be putting it in a future giveaway. Next item is the Clara's Advanced Serum Vitamin C. So that's nice. It's in this, you know, this kind of dark colored glass, kind of helps preserve the vitamin C and prolong its freshness. And then last but not least is this Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 24-hour hydrating setting mist. Okay, I've been looking for a lot of hydrating makeup lately, and one of them is the setting spray, because I find now that setting sprays, mattifying setting spray, is just like sucking the life out of my face, like very stiff feeling, and it just, I know it needs moisture. I've only tried the small bottle, the deluxe size, as opposed to the full size, and now I have the full size. So I'm super excited. Yes, look at that. I have the big bottle, and here's my mini bottle for travel. So yeah, I'm just using the small one because I don't want to open the big bottle yet until I'm done with this one. All right, so that is it, guys. In my Boxycharm box, we've got the vitamin C, the Tarte blush, we've got the lip scrub, we have the Goddess palette, and the full size Makeup Forever setting spray. I love the packaging, by the way. So yeah, so that is everything in my box. What do you guys think? There's definitely quite a few products here that I'm going to be using. If you are interested in an Ipsy makeup subscription box, please check the details in the description box below. I do have a shopping link there that you can use if you'd like. Also, I just want to thank Ipsy again for inviting me in this collaboration and being a part of their PR team. I feel spoiled, I feel blessed. And so at least for the next couple of months, I am going to be stocked with makeup. All of these products are 100% gifted to me. Thank you again, Ipsy. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!